What's up, y'all? Today we are going to dive into the carburetors. This is gonna be interesting. In the last video we took the fairing off, took the lowers off. This time we are going to remove the shelter, take the covers off, the little bling here, pull the spark plug boots, and pull these out of the left side here. Here we go. Gonna start off removing the shelter here. Got 2 screws on the back side of it and 1 up on the front. The nuts are actually part of the frame, so should be pretty easy. That's so awesome. That's how it should be. Yeah. There we go. Shelter comes free. And I choose personally to put bolts back where they go. Makes things easier in the long run. You don't need to crank them down like it's the apocalypse by any means. Now on both sides, I'm going to remove the little bling covers here. I honest to God don't know what the technical term is for this little cover. That's fine though. I always bash my knuckles on the regulator rectifier here. Also something that I'm considering updating just because this is an old bike and I should. A little too magnetic. Okay. I'm going to remove both the shelter and the carb guard on the other side as well. Everyone's looking forward to 2020, not 2021. Sorry. Not sucking. I get that. It's difficult to wrap manifestations of positivity around a calendar date, especially such a universally celebrated one. But I dig it. I think that it's a beautiful time for transition. Up here in Montana, we have our freeze, we have our winter. That's why I'm wearing a puffy coat in the garage. But it's a great time for a reset. It really is. Oh no! Forgot this guy. And they get some new screws for these guys because the previous owner of this bike, who really didn't get much done on the bike, so I'm guessing that it was probably the owner before that, really just stripped the life out of these things, unfortunately. So we'll treat them right for the time being. While they're ours, we'll treat them right. Using JIS screwdrivers helps tremendously. I went too long working on bikes without using the right screwdrivers. Nothing to them. Nothing to them. Easy. I think this set cost me 35 bucks. And I got 3 different sizes. They're all magnetic. It's awesome. I have never had this secured properly. So that's on the top of the list. There's the air filter. I can just get a good cleaning. Just get a good cleaning. Just get a good cleaning. Just got a good cleaning. Just get a good cleaning. Well, shoot, dude. Gotta have this bad boy. That's awesome. Got the one with the fancy handle. Dang, dang. That's the good stuff right there. That's the good stuff right there. There you go. Oh, let me show you. Ooh, gotta pull this guy. Can you see it in there? That little clippy. Actually, it might be easier to pull this guy. Let's see. Yep. I should be able to break this guy free here. There we go. Come on now. Okay. Got our hoses free. There we go. Started working without filming and freed up our throttle cable, at least one part of it. There we go. Come on now. Boom, boom. Happy, healthy, wonderful. And now, all that's left is the choke, which generally is pretty dang easy. Boom. Just like that. And then one more piece here. That screw right there. I'm gonna take that off. It's holding this little choke jig. Okay. All right, I already busted these couple acorn nuts loose. Got this guy loose. This is gonna get cleaned like crazy. Pop these boys and their washers right over here. Keep them marked. One of them didn't have a washer. I'm gonna have to figure that out. All right. Over on the other side here. Forgot to mention earlier, I removed the fuel hose. There was still a little bit of residual left in there, of course. Pop these guys loose. There we are, there we are. Set these down on the side too. Break free. Break free. Let's go down with the rest. Ooh, we got them free. We have free carburetors. That's sweet. That's a good feeling. It's a good feeling, no doubt. No doubt. In fact, I think I'm just going to pull these things off. All right, now we should be able to get these things out this direction. Let's see here. You know. Okay. I'm removing the caps from the right side because they are making this clearance difficult. All right, here we go. Right to the point that we were. Pull these caps off. Pull out the spring as to not damage it. And we should have enough clearance, my friends. And that, ooh, is how we do it. Oh, woohoo! So I've got the carburetors out of the GoldWing. I'm super excited. Like I said in the previous video, in my couple little rides this fall going to school, I found some leaky carbs. So we're gonna clean these things inside and out and throw some gaskets on there, clean that engine while the carburetors are out and everything is accessible. And I'm super excited. This is a piece of the bike that a lot of people are scared of, and I understand why. They're super intimidating. These things are just kind of a bitch, pardon my language. But yeah, really excited that I got those out. Was it easier than I thought? No. Was it harder than I thought? No. I'm content. But I will say, while I was wrenching away on this thing tonight, while it was up on my little makeshift stand, it's actually a grind box, I kept thinking to myself that I get to work in a space with light and a little bit of heat. And I can close the garage door and I can leave all this stuff on the bench. And I can come back to it at another date. And that feels good, and that's new to me. I'm very fortunate that I have this little space to call my own, and I'll give you guys a breakdown soon on this space and how I've made it mine, what I've done with it since we moved in, that kind of thing. But really excited about what's to come. We'll dig into these in the next episode. like I said, I hope that you have a beautiful new year. I'm filming this on New Year's Day, 2021. Still kind of weird to say that out loud, but excited about what's to come, excited to tear into this thing, excited for other bikes that we get to work on. Gonna give you guys some updates here soon, but stay happy, stay healthy, stay cool, be responsible, be safe, and ride more Moto if you can. See ya.